Hello and welcome to my video about this Linn Genki CD player. Well, I said to a friend of mine that I just bought a Linn CD player. He said, yeah, but is it the best one? Is it the Ikemi? And I said, well, it isn't an Ikemi, but it is basically like Ikemi with one, you know, if you look at the service manual, it says the board is Linn Genki, and this is a control board. And when we look, let's say, display board, it also says Linn Genki, and if you look at the list of my Bible of players, both of them have the same Burr-Brown PCM1792 chip and also Sadio pickup, which is used in many fine players. This unit is well, the difference really between a Genki and Ikemi is that Ikemi has a balanced output. You see all these differential discrete transistors output down there is in Ikemi, and this Genki is only single-ended output, and it has two variable outputs, two fixed, and a coaxial on the B and C. And that there is probably Linn remote of some sort. It has plenty of other features. I mean, many players have a volume control, you know, and some have a mute. But I've never seen a balanced as yet on a CD player, and that's a very cute thing. Most of all though, it is an HDCD player, and this CD is HDCD, and you can see it there. It's got lit up when the CD of that source. This is on board Burr-Brown PCM1792 is on board of their DAC chip, and while we're here, we can see there's a modern surface mount unit. What was wrong with it? Well, the owner complained that it didn't produce any output on analog, and just some excuse me, some noises every now and then, and that was due to not having a minus 15 volt there. So I replaced that regulator there, and also there was a capacitor there exactly the same like all the others. Looked a bit bulged. I tested it, it was alright, but you know, there's no point of putting old one that's bulged, so I put a replacement which is bigger because it's double the voltage. That's what I had. It's a low ESR capacitor. So really there was only that regulator that went. Other than that, unit sort of presents well, and remote is pretty good. I suppose the worst thing about the whole unit is the back of the remote, which has a few scratches, but other than that, it's all nice and clean. Well, it plays CDs, any CDs. I mean, this here is CDR, if you believe that. I'll play a couple of tones on my test CD. It actually can play them up to 2.2 millimeters of both break and interruption data layer, but because this is a remote for all-in products, it doesn't have a good control of the tracks. So I'm going to use my basic CD that only goes to 0.9 of a millimeter, but trust me, it does much better. So this is 8, and then we have to just skip to track 15. As you see, or as you can hear, it does a bit of noise when it seeks tracks, but once the track is playing, it is dead silent. So as you see, it plays anything and behaves well. Top quality unit. I didn't know what to expect when I had a Linn Universal player here before. I thought it was a bit homemade. I mean, meaning the chassis was probably ordered before there were some changes to the mechanism. It was all sort of brackets and, you know, like a garage type of thing. But this is properly made. This is quality unit. So, and I probably will be available for sale pretty soon. It, as you see, it searches fast and plays well, you know, and you can. I'll do a bit of fast searching so you know how well it goes. So, and of course, this is minimalistically in display, but you can have all your normal track info in all the, but you know, they choose to leave it. Default is just a track and index, but I personally like to see the time. Well, thank you very much for your time, until I'll fix something again. Goodbye.